The most important task that I am putting on your shoulders is not only the collectors but also the senior officers who have been posted alongside the collectors to guide and advise the collectors while this task is being undertaken. The most important thing, the challenge that I am currently putting forth to the collectors is, in the next 48 hours, there should be no house that says that I have not received 2,000 rupees or I have not received the ration. The ration of this 25 kgs rice, the 1 kg dal, the palm oil 1 kg, the onions 1 kg, potatoes 1 kg. This ration along with 2,000 rupees. Every house should be getting it in the next 48 hours. There should be no house in any village where the inundation took place that somebody makes a complaint that I have not received these. That is the challenge on each of the collectors' shoulders. And that is the challenge that each of the senior officers who have been posted alongside the collectors, guiding and advising the collectors, this is the challenge for both of you. Now, never in the past we had a situation, if you were to see what happened during the erstwhile regime, the East and West had only two collectors. The East Godavari and the West Godavari had only two collectors. And they had only two joint collectors, two JCs. And they had only two SPs. Now, you have 6 collectors, even though Kakinada is not affected, but still Kakinada is also available for you. You have 6 collectors, 6 JCs, 6 SPs. And added to this, you have a Grama and Ward Sachivalayam Vyavastha, where you have more than 10 people available in every Sachivalayam, be it ward or be it Grama. And you have every 50 houses you have a volunteer. This kind of a setup was never in existence previously. But with this kind of huge setup, it is very important that we deliver in time and the best of the quality. Both these parameters to be met with. No, I'm shocked to see today in the morning that Yeenadu is written. And Tuesday, the paper but in a pidana anpistud. ఇంత వ్యవస్థతో ఎప్పుడూ జరగని విధంగా never in the past 2,000 rupees per house was given to any house. Never in the past we had such a setup, be it the collectors, be it the JCs, be it the SPs, be it the village and ward secretariat, be it the volunteers. Never in the past we had this kind of a setup. Never in the past were any instances where they had given 2,000 rupees along with the ration. In spite of our best efforts, with vested interests, people like Yeenadu, people like Andhra Jyoti, people like TB5, people like Chandrababu Naidu, people like Pawan Kalyan as well, all of them continuously make efforts to demoralize the establishment. My request to you is counter them with offense Otherwise, people will think you're not doing it. If you're on the front foot, bat on the front foot. Why bat on the back foot? You've done a good job. If somebody still says that you've not done it, putting forth all these facts, you hit back and be offensive. Because what you're doing currently there is only visible in those districts and those mandals. Whereas the target of these people is to malign our reputation throughout the state, where people have not seen what you're doing. Please do not give any scope for such kind of mudslinging. You're doing a good job, showcase your job. Be on the offensive, be on the front foot, showcase your job. Any amount whatsoever you require. Funds are not the issue. I want empathy from your side. I want proactiveness from your side. This is all what I'm seeking from your side. Whatever support you require, we are there to give you that support. As I've said yesterday, CMO is available to you, CS is available to you. Anybody, any secretary, you have any difficulty, any HOD, any secretary that you have difficulty in getting anything, we're only a phone call away. Please be on the front foot. The next 48 hours, the target is, I do not want to hear even a single house saying that I have not received the ration or the 2,000 rupees. That is the challenge. Please gear up, please be offensive, and please be very proactive.